Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. In this video, I am very proud and very humble to show you one of my own project on GitHub, which is Docling with Ollama. It seems that I cannot get enough of Docling and Ollama, so I thought of combining both of these amazing tools in one go. So in this video, we are going to integrate Docling with Ollama. What it means is that now you can use this document parser tool Docling with local models, all free, all private, without worrying about any API cost, throttling, or about your privacy. So we are going to install it locally and then we will see how it works with local PDF files. You can easily use the code to convert it into Excel, RAG, or any other sort of file which is supported by Docling. Now, if you don't know what Docling is, what Ollama is, please go to my channel and you can see that I have done heaps of videos around Docling, Ollama, LlamaIndex, because LlamaIndex is the tool which I'm going to use for this video in order to integrate both Docling and Ollama. So Docling, in very simple words, is a groundbreaking tool that parses documents and exports them to the desired format with ease and speed. It reads popular document formats like PDF, Word documents, PowerPoint presentation, Excel sheets, images, HTML, ASCII doc, Markdown, and then it exports them to JSON, Markdown, or HTML. Whereas LlamaIndex is a tool which is quite popular too, and that primarily provides you a lot of power in terms of abstraction to handle your enterprise data with the help of AI. And as far as Ollama is concerned, Ollama is one of the easiest tool to run large language models in a quantized format locally. I have done more than 800 videos on Ollama in the last 1.5 years, so please do check it out on the channel. So before I show you the installation and we play around with this Docling with Ollama, let me give a huge shout out to Massed Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs. So this is my Ubuntu system and this is my GPU card NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. I already have Ollama installed as you can see here, and I have Llama 3.2 model running. If you don't know how to install it, please search my channel and very quickly go to ollama.com, click on download. If you're running Linux, just run this command. If you're running Windows or Mac, just download this exe and click next, and it should install it on your local system. And for further information, please search my channel. And if you don't have the model, so simply do Ollama pull llama 3.2 and it should pull the model for you on your local system. I already have it as you can see above. So let's start by creating a virtual environment with Conda. You can also use a virtual environment with Python, but I prefer this Conda. And if you don't know how to install Conda, please search my channel. I have done again a very simple to follow video. And now let me git clone the repo, which is Docling with Ollama, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. And let's now install all the prerequisites in order to run this. And let me paste that, and you will find all of these commands in my GitHub repo. So you see I'm installing torch, transformers, llama index core, and how llama index with Ollama, Streamlit, PDF plumber, because what I'm going to do here, I'm going to integrate Docling with Ollama, and then I will use Docling to parse PDF files, and then we will use the power of Ollama to do the RAG or retrieval augmented generation on top of it. So what is meant by RAG? RAG is simply means that I will be providing my own data to LLM for more grounded response. So in RAG, what happens is you give it your file, such as I will give my PDF file. It is going to chunk it into smaller pieces. It is going to convert it into numerical representations or embeddings or vectors. Then it is going to store it in some memory vector store. And then whenever I will ask a question, then the response from that vector store will be augmented with the prompt, and the LLM will have more grounded context around it. So that is what we are going to do here, all with Docling, LlamaIndex, and Ollama. So this is going to take 2 to 3 minutes. So let's wait for it to get finished. And while this happens, can I please request you to go to my repo, which is Docling with Ollama, and I will drop the link in video's description. And then please star it. From here, there are no stars because I just built it half an hour ago. So I would highly appreciate it. Any support. It is all Apache 2 license, so you don't have to worry about usage. It's very liberal license. Okay, so let's wait for this installation to get finished. Okay, everything is installed. Now, in order to run the application, all you need to do is to do the Streamlit run app, because I will be using Streamlit for graphical user interface. So let's press enter, and it is going to open it in your local browser. First time it takes few seconds to initialize everything, connect with Ollama and all that stuff. So let's give it few seconds to get initialized. Almost there. There you go. Now on the left hand side, just select any document. So I'll just maybe pick the technical report of docling.pdf. You see on the left hand side, it is indexing the PDF document, which means that it is chunking it and storing it in the memory vector store. The code is very flexible. You can easily integrate it with any of the proper vector databases if you like, and it is all available on that GitHub repo. And this indexing takes a bit of a time. It depends on how big your file is. And the indexing is complete. And if you're wondering what sort of file is this, so I have selected this technical report because it contains a very good mix of scientific notation, some tabular format, some images, and then some tabular data, that sort of stuff. And the size is just 9 pages, so makes a good sort of candidate for using it. So you see, it has also given us a preview of the PDF on the left hand side. How good is that? Okay, now we can just start talking with it. We can say maybe what is Docling, and then it is going to use the power of Llama 3.2 to use it. And it also uses by embedding model from Hugging Face. By the way, there you go. So it has got the data from Docling. It's an open source package for PDF document. Spot on. Then you can just ask it random question. Maybe who is Mirza. So because it is not in the context, the model says I don't know, which is quite good. So you see, it gives us quite grounded responses. It really deals with it quite nicely, very lightweight, all running local. And then you can keep asking questions about that document. And in other words, basically we are chatting with our document or doing RAG or retrieval augmented generation. So you can explore it further. It works like a charm. As I said, that you can easily change the code to get the RAG on Excel file and other stuff. And it's very easy. Just one code file and you should be good to go. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about this. Again, please don't forget to star it. I would be really grateful for that. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you are already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thank you for watching.